This is Oscar Roche, and Oscar is really good at a lot of things, but you want Oscar to teach you about standardized work practices. Why? Firstly, because standardized work is the foundation of everything we do as manufacturers. Industry 4.0, really cool stuff. Automation, IoT, fantastic. But none of those things work without strong, robust, standardized work practices. And when you scratch just under the surface, almost every single manufacturing businesses, you find weaknesses in those practices and areas that need to be improved. Secondly, because Oscar is the right expert for the job. Oscar is amazing at implementation. He's entirely implementation focused. What does that mean? I've heard hundreds of people talk about Toyota's work practices. I've only met one guy who knows how to implement those practices in a 300-person company. That's Oscar. The last reason you want Oscar to teach you about standardized work practices is that his deep experience is in real-world manufacturing with real-world problems. So one of the things he taught me was that standard work practices help us to stop fights between shifts about what is the correct way to set up the machine. Because when you have disharmony within shifts, you slow production down and you make it harder to scale. And all of those problems, Oscar will help you solve.